Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome to this video. After I fly my drone, I physically want to cross the bridge myself, so I took a chance to walk through it. Even after the sunset, the place is so alive, people still here. I don't know the reason why, but you will get the reason in 2 minutes. Right about here, I have to turn back because a lot of hardcore TikTokers doing their daring video, so I don't want to film them. I have to turn back. So this gave me a chance to see the full moon because I'm always focused on the sunset, but on the other side have a full moon. I was quite surprised the full moon. It is very beautiful and it is a bonus for me. Sunset and the full moon on the same day. The landscape with the full moon, very beautiful, so I decided to take a closer look. I'm using my Samsung phone to zoom in on the full moon. So let me have the closer look of this beauty. It's absolutely gorgeous. It was more fantastic than sunset. You won't believe it. My camera cannot contain this beauty. You have to be there to experience the full strength. I cannot explain in word also. Look at that. Stunning view. So I decided to fly my drone to get a closer look with a high resolution. But unfortunately, I have not enough battery to fly more. So I had to come back. It's getting darker. Without the battery power, I will lose my drone on this video. So I had to bring back my drone. Either way, I have some footage which you can see right now. If you are in Siargao, that is a full moon day, this is the best spot to go and enjoy your evening. If you like this video so far, subscribe to the channel would be awesome. You can see in this bridge, still people are skateboarding. Because of the full moon, you will still have the light. So many people still there. After that, I'm still shooting on my phone. You can see the vibe over here. People are very friendly, having good time with the snacks and drinks, and get together with their friends. So many people who are coming late here, even though they miss the sunset, they can enjoy the full moon today over here. This place is perfectly safe, very friendly. I highly recommend it. That is a full moon. No one will believe it. You can come in your own vehicle. Otherwise, there is a transport also available in the beginning of the bridge. Look at the commitment and trust each other in the bridge and sitting over there, enjoy their evening. That is one of the fantastic thing I've seen right now. I have to add this thing to my bucket list. Still the full moon is there. It's very bright even after the sunset. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and comment below. Subscribe would be awesome. For me, it is a bonus. Same day, I can do the sunset at the same time full moon. This is the one place you can meet different type of nationality and make friends with them. We are almost there in the beginning of the bridge. This place you can buy your snacks and drinks and you can spend a lot of time over here. No need to be rush yourself because the transportation always available. You can hire the tricycle, you can go to your hotels. Very safe place. I highly recommend it. If you're going Siargao, you should go there.